Secret agent man, secret agent man. They've given you a number and taken away your name.
Somewhere at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean are two precast concrete caissons protecting sensitive military magnetometers, which in turn protect America. For the military, finding the building material for the structure to protect their equipment was not easy. Steel would rust, and composites would not be able to handle the tidal action or the pressure from the seawater. Additionally, because of the sensitivity of the equipment, the structure could not contain any ferrous or steel materials. The answer was a tightly controlled concrete made from aggregates and cement with a low iron content. The caissons are huge. Each base weighs 280,000 pounds and the caps weigh 65,000 pounds. This precast solution to stabilize the magnetometers saved the taxpayers $1.7 million.
Basically, we had to come up with a non-ferrous concrete material that would not, impact the sensors that were the goal of the project was to stabilize. And the challenges were in finding the correct type of aggregates, the cement products, and also the water that we're mixing this material with to have virtually no iron content. We had to have a subcontracted crane come into the plant to load those units, and the transportation, again, because of the over-width nature of it, it was a multi-pilot car as well as a CHP escort load.
They had to use non-ferrous aggregates. They had to use water that had no iron in it. They had to use cement that had no iron in it. The handling of the products before the concrete was made had to be accomplished without much contact with steel, including the belts that the material runs on could not be steel belted radial type rubber that most belts are. So it was a very difficult project to accomplish, to deliver what the military was looking for, but this contractor stepped up and did the job. This project really stood out. It's not a typical BEQ or a new helicopter hangar. It's totally different. This actually has a military application. They're using this to help defend our country. And that alone really put this project head and shoulders above some of the other projects that were submitted in this category.
There's a man who leads a life of